Hello guys, this is a installation video of VirtualBox. First of all, open your browser, then search here VirtualBox. For downloading the VirtualBox, here Windows host option, select Windows host option. Here downloading start. After download successful, please open your VirtualBox. Then you have to click on next. You can change your location according to you. Then you have to click next. Select yes option. Select yes. Click on next option. Then click on install option. It takes some time according to your internet connection. After successful installation, then you have to click on this option, finish. Here you can see your VirtualBox. In next video, we have to see how to download Windows 10 on a VirtualBox, how to set up VirtualBox on a Windows 10. That's all about today's video. Thank you.